Today we are taking you on the tour of beautiful boho inspired living room. Bohemian style is all about embracing individuality, vibrant colors and mix of pattern and textures. So let's dive right in and explore the captivating world of boho decor. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. This living room is bursting with personality and charm. The first thing you will notice is the bold choice of color. Boho style often embrace rich and earthy tones such as deep blue, warm orange, and vibrant green. These colors create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Let's talk about the furniture. In boho inspired living room, you will often find a mix of furniture style. It's all about incorporating pieces that have character and tell a story. Think vintage sofas with colorful upholstery, wooden coffee table with intricate carving and unique accent chair. One of the key elements of boho decor is the use of textiles. Layers upon layers of different fabric and texture add depth and visual interest to the space. Look for patterned rugs through pillows in various shapes and sizes, and cozy blankets draped over the furniture. Plants are another must have in a boho styled living room. Bringing nature indoor add a sense of tranquility and freshness to the space. You will find an abundance of plants in different sizes and varieties placed strategically throughout the room to create a lush and tropical atmosphere. Now let's move on the accessories. Bohemian style in Bohemian style encourages an eclectic mix of decor items that reflect your personality, taste, and travels. You will find macrame wall hanging, dream catchers, woven baskets, and an array of artwork adorning the wall. These pieces add a touch of whimsy and cultural flair to the space. Lighting is an essential element in a boho inspired room. To create a warm and inviting ambience, opt for soft and diffuse lighting. String lights, microcans inspired lanterns, and floor lamps with the fabric shades and all great choices that add a cozy glow to the space. Finally, let's talk about the overall vibe of this Woohoo inspired living room. It's a space that it's a space that exudes a relaxed and laid back atmosphere. The mix of color, texture, and electric decor creates a sense of adventure and free. spiritness. It's a room where you can kick back, unwind, and let your imagination roam. And that's conclude overall tour of stunning boho inspired living room. We hope you enjoy the exploring the vibrant color, unique furniture, and captivating accessories that define boho inspired decor. Remember, when it's come to bohemian style, there are no rules. Just embrace your creativity and let your personality shine. Thanks for joining us today. If you found the video inspiring, please thumbs up and subscribe Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. Happy decoring, keep smiling.